A judge in Texas has ruled that a pregnant woman who sued the state for a court-ordered abortion can legally terminate her pregnancy. The decision marks a significant development in ongoing debate over states' medical exception to its controversial ban on abortion after 6 weeks. One of strictest bans in country. Kate Cox, who is 20 weeks pregnant, filed a lawsuit this week asking court to temporarily halt state's abortion ban because she was unable to have procedure done out of concerns it violated law. According to the lawsuit, Cox's baby was diagnosed with trisomy 18 and is not expected to survive outside the womb for more than a few days. According to the New York Times, his case follows the Supreme Court's Roe v. decision last year. It is believed to be one of the first attempts in the country by a person seeking a court-ordered abortion since Wade overturned his case. Cox, 31, went to 3 different emergency rooms last month for severe cramping and unidentified fluid leakage. According to his suit, she has had 2 previous C-sections. Continued pregnancy puts her at high risk for serious complications that threaten her life and future fertility, including uterine rupture hysterectomy, the lawsuit said. At an emergency hearing Thursday, the judge issued a temporary restraining order against the state that would allow Cox to have an abortion immediately. The idea Ms. Cox desperately wanted to be a parent and that this law could actually cause her to lose ability would be shocking and a real miscarriage of justice. Judge Maya Guerra Gamble said. So I will sign the order and it will be processed and sent today. Cox and his wife were also present at the hearing, which took place via Zoom, and he was seen wiping away tears after being touched by the judge's decision. An attorney representing Texas argued Thursday that Cox's pregnancy symptoms did not meet the standard set by the state for a medical emergency that would allow an abortion. Johnathan Stone, special counsel to the state attorney general's office, said Cox's doctor had a subjective belief that Cox was fit for an abortion, rather than basing his medical opinion on objective standards set forth in the law. The debate between subjective and objective medical reasons for abortion is at the center of ongoing debates and legal battles over the state's rule of exception. Critics argue that the rule is vague, causing doctors facing criminal charges for performing illegal abortions to refrain from taking action. The state advocates that the language in the law be sufficient and clear. Duane, an attorney representing Cox, argued that the state second-guessed her client's doctors and told them Cox wasn't sick enough. Duane works for Center for Reproductive Rights, which is involved in a separate court battle against the state to clarify state's medical emergency exception. They moved the goalposts once again. A patient must now be dying for a Dr. T.